Hey everyone, welcome back to Yacht Reviews. We're at the St. Pete Boat Show earlier this year. I was given the opportunity to check out this 2024 Williams 445 Dieseljet rigid inflatable boat. Now these boats are great in their own right, but they really come into their own as a super yacht tender. They're diesel, so that way you don't have to worry about carrying a combination of gas and diesel on board. Gas also has an issue where it separates over time. Diesel doesn't have that same problem, or at least not as quick. This measures in at 14 feet 9 inches in length with a beam of 6 feet 7, and it carries 7 people. Now this particular example has got some upgrades to her. You'll notice it's got the dark blue tubes. It's also got that custom teak decking on board, and it's also got this really nice platform for being able to step on and off. And for a boat of this size, when I step on it, the boat doesn't move. Normally when you're on a boat of this size, it's nice and it bounces like a cork, but I can't say that about this one. The seating arrangement is pretty good. You've got 4 adults at the back, you've got 2 at the helm. There's 3 clips here, and if I lift this up, what you're going to find is a Yanmar 4JH4. This is a diesel engine, it's 110 horsepower. There's 18 gallons of fuel. It's got roughly 60 hours on the clock. In the right conditions, you're going to hit speeds close on 40 miles per hour. But with the hatch open, you can also see there's plenty of room for doing all your servicing, your checks, things like that. And there's room in the side, you can put some spare oil or things like that in the engine compartment as well. Very comfortable seating here. And at the helm, this one is extremely well equipped for it to be a luxury yacht tender. You've got your multifunction display, and that also includes AIS. It's got a Bluetooth stereo with a Fusion music system. You can see the speakers underneath the seats at the back. There's speakers at the helm, and there's also speakers at the bow. You got your engine instrumentation, you get your Ray Marine VHF, it's even got AIS, wraparound screen to help with that spray and wind. And then if I move up onto the forward section, there's another seating area, but underneath that seat, you'll find that this has got waterproof lock-in storage as well. Now if it was me, I would keep something like maybe a pump in here to top up the tubes if you ever need to, although this one does have an automatic full tube inflator. Okay. You see the fuel filler up here, you get a pop-up cleat for the bow, and this one does come also with a full boat cover. And in the description I'm going to leave a link, and that'll take you straight to Jefferson Beach Yacht Sales where this one was up for sale. And the photographs show on their website of it sitting on a trailer, and it was up for sale for $105,000 in Naples, Florida now. And as well as that, I'm also going to include a link in the description to Williams' website itself, and that way you can get more details and spec on this model. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you can go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit that like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. And I'll look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.